guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? So I wanted to do like a facial at home and I have the perfect product. So this is by Lotus. It's called Lotus Radiant Gold, and this has like really cool, very easy, 4 easy steps, okay? And you just need to follow these steps. It's really simple. I've done it before. I'm going to show it to you now. So let's start. How cool is this box? Okay, so they have this hairband that they give, and then they have the cleansing scrub, activator, massaging cream, and the mask. So this is what the kit looks like. So guys, the first step is the cleansing scrub. And so all you need to do is take a little bit of this product. So here. And just apply it on your face in circular motion and cleanse it. So guys, I've applied it all over my face, and don't forget to apply it on your neck as well. And make sure that your skin is a bit wet. Maybe you can just like rinse your face and then you apply this and scrub it really well. You want to get rid of all the dead skin. So do this and then take a moist cotton pad, or maybe you can just wash your face. So that's it. I'm going to wash my face and be right back. My skin already feels so good. My next step is the activator. And all you need to do is just take a few drops on your fingertips, massage it really well. So that's what I'm going to do now. So just massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and don't wipe this. Then we'll continue with the next step. So the next step is the massage cream, and this is what it looks like. So all you need to do is just take a little bit of this cream, massage it onto your face and neck really well. So do this for a good amount of time, 10 to 15 minutes. Just pamper yourself, massage your face. So guys, I've massaged my face and my neck for 10 to 15 minutes now. I'm just going to take like damp cotton and I'm going to wipe this off, and then we'll move on to my next step. So my next and final step is the mask, and I'm just going to take this, apply it on my face, and you just leave it for some time. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face and neck. And let this dry completely, and then you can take like a cotton pad and remove this, or maybe just like rinse your face. So I just washed my face and look at the glow. Oh my god, I mean, I just love this facial kit. Thank you, Lotus. It was so easy, just 4 easy steps. First, I cleansed my face with the cleansing scrub and it removed all the dead skin from my face. Then we used the activator, which had 24K gold leaves, and you know, it really like helps in the skin's elasticity. And then was the cream, which we used in, you know, it's really good for, you know, blood circulation, and also it like nourishes your skin. And then use the mask, which actually I think gave the gold like glow. So I love it, and the ingredients were really good. It had 24K pure gold leaves in this, you know, that was so cool. And there was like papaya and horse chestnut extract, which is amazing for your skin. So Lotus Herbal, thank you so much. I loved it, and I think you should really go and try this now. And I will see you soon, guys. Thank you so much.